Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, welcome to my channel. So this week or today I am going to do a Coachella inspired nail tutorial. So this year's Coachella is between April 13th through the 22nd. So I decided to do some Coachella nails because, you know, I never did it. So these nails are good for the Coachella event, or you can also wear these any time of the day. So before we get started, go down below, subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, share it to all your Coachella friends, and let's get started with this video. Hey guys, welcome to my Coachella nail tutorial. So you want to start off with 2 coats of every polish I'm going to show you. So first I'm going to start off with a cool ombre on the middle nail. Come back to this nail and do something else. Right now I'm gonna let it dry while I have the makeup sponge wedge already out. I'm going to put some glitter on the thumb and middle finger, so to make sure the glitter is very packed, I'm going to use the makeup sponge wedge to dab the glitter on. I'm going to go ahead and finish my middle nail. So I tried to attempt to put a crown on there, so with some caviar beads and other diamonds. So I'm going to finish the pinky and the index finger. I'm going to do a cool design on top of them. All the nails are done. Now all is left to do is a top coat, and then you'll all be done with your Coachella nails. So guys, what do you think of those Coachella nails? I thought they were pretty cool. I had fun doing them. Obviously, you don't have to do it for the Coachella, but you can do these nails whenever you want. So I really like doing them. If you're new here and still here, go down below and subscribe to this channel. Give this YouTube video a like, share it please, so everyone can see it. And yes, thanks so much for watching. Bye.